Hello, we're going to do a review on the Surface Max 3/8 power washer quick connect cord. This guy here. So 50 foot, most standard power washers from my understanding usually come with about 25 feet. So 50 foot's definitely a big improvement. A couple things that I will notice on the hose itself. It's kind of a rubber texture. This thing's a 3/8. It's up to 4,500 psi, electric or gas power washer. This is the connections that you'll get on the hose itself. The only thing that I've noticed, I've had this for a couple days, is that there's a light, kind of like a clear coat finish on the hose. And after having this out for a few days, part of the clear coat is starting to peel off. And I see very, very minor cracking in the hose. So the durability is kind of yet to be determined. I like it. The quick connect's cool, but on your power, your gun, if you want to call it that, you'll still need to go to a hardware store or something to get these connections to put onto your hose. So that screws on there. The hose does not come with this, so you'll still need to purchase this. Also, the male end on the power washer is another connection that you'll have to actually purchase along with that. The thing that I want to demonstrate is if you're going to be power washing a vehicle, every time that I've done this with the standard vehicle, the cord's not long enough to go all the way around the truck or car, so you're having to move your power washer with you. So quick demonstration, hooking this section to this, done. This section to the power washer, and you'll watch, I can go all the way around my truck. With still some line to spare. So full-size truck, you can get all the way around it, which is really nice. I like it so far. I'll keep using it. We use power washers a lot around our place. So I'm sure the sun and the heat and weather will determine how well the hose holds up, but overall I like it. I recommend it. I like it better than anything else they have on the shelf, so I would definitely purchase this over the others. So give it a shot and try it out. Thanks.